Ichabod. Ichabod was the grandson of Eli. And if the word Ichabod on curse had done fell on them. We don't have the ark, so God ain't with us. But God is saying, I am in the sanctuary. I'm in the house, and all you got to do, when you look right there at verse 5, it says, this is what I covenant with you when you came out of Egypt, and my spirit remains among you. Do not fear. Do not fear. Don't fear. Don't give up. Don't lose hope. You're like a mirror will not reflect God's promises. No memory means that you are the only one without the remembrance of what God has already given. Because you don't have no remembrance, that does not mean that God does not remember. His promises are everlasting just for you. He remembers just for you. So the word of today is, be strong and continue to build. That's what I title of our lesson today. Be strong and continue to build. Yes, it's going to get hard sometimes. No memory. Yes, you're going to lose memory because things are coming up against you. But God does not lose his memory. God does not forget about his promises. He looks at us in verse 6. Strength helps us to move forward into obedience. Look right there in verse 6. This is what the Lord Almighty says. In a little while, I will once more shake the heavens and the earth, the sea and the dry land. See, before God had called a drought, there was nothing coming on the land. There was no dew. There was nothing happening. There was no green earth. There was no crops being produced. But look at Almighty God. He says that I'm going to give it back to you. When you start walking in obedience, obedience will return blessings from God. I choose to go through, and God chooses to help me in my going through. Yes, I walked away from God many times, but I remember that God set something up in play for me walking away from him. I was just like the children of Israel. He had to take everything away from me in order for me to trust God. I want to let you know something today. Don't walk in fear. Be strong and continue to do the work that God has called you to do. Yes, you're going to have opposition. Yes, folks going to come against you. It's going to be mostly in your mind. You got to fight through what you feel. You got to fight through what you think. To get the best of you. They're with you. How is it that if God done taken care of me this far, how can I not trust God now that I belong to him?
Yes.
Sit down, sit down. Say before. Look at your neighbor. Say name. Before my name changed. Come on, say it. Say before